Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by -0.02% compared to yesterday's value of 26,266.0. The price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by 0.63% compared to yesterday's value of 1,587.47. The price of Binance Smart Chain, BNB, to USDT has increased by 1.33% compared to yesterday's value of 210.0.
Latest news.
Blocknative to exit MEV-Boost relay services on Ethereum blockchain. Blocknative, a provider of tools for transactions on the Ethereum blockchain, will exit services related to its MEV-Boost relay after internal discussions. The company will continue with other core services such as Mempool, Explorer, Transaction Simulation, Ethereum Gas Estimator, and Polygon Estimator. Blocknative CEO Matt Cutler explains that the business was not meeting economic expectations and efforts to introduce economic incentives at the relay layer did not materialize. MEV, or Maximal Extractable Value, is an invisible tax that validators and builders can collect from users by reordering or inserting transactions in a block before they are added to the blockchain. Some figures in the MEV-Boost space have expressed concerns about the business becoming excessively centralized. Remilia co-founders file lawsuit against Milady founder Charlotte Fang. Sprite Bunkler, the creative director and artist of Remilia Corporation, has announced that the company's co-founders have filed a lawsuit against Charlotte Fang, one of Milady Maker NFT's founders. The co-founders claim that Fang orchestrated a plan to take over Remilia's functions, resources, and valuable digital assets. They also claim that Fang misappropriated digital assets worth more than $600,000 from the venture's treasury and began asserting unilateral control over operations and assets through several Delaware LLCs. The co-founders have requested that Fang return all funds and digital assets they had taken for themselves and their LLCs back to Remilia and retract their false statements. The co-founders also sue Charlotte and their Delaware LLCs for breach of fiduciary duty, breach of contract, fraud, libel, theft, and more. Milady Maker suffered a major exploit involving platform fees and social media accounts, with the attacker seized control of free social media accounts. Federal Reserve banks compare stablecoins to money market funds, highlight potential instability. A report by the Federal Reserve Banks of Boston and New York compares stablecoins such as USDT and USDC to money market funds. The report examines investor behavior during stablecoin runs and compares it to the money market fund runs of 2008 and 2010. The report finds that stablecoins are vulnerable to runs during periods of broad crypto market dislocation and idiosyncratic stress events. The report also notes that stablecoins have a break-the-buck threshold of 99 cents, below which redemptions accelerate and runs occur, potentially causing asset crashes for remaining investors. Italy's central bank has taken measures to prevent stablecoin runs, citing the Terra Luna collapse as an example that stablecoins have not proved stable at all. Italy has called for the formation of an international regulatory body to govern cryptocurrency, stablecoins, and related technologies. Ethereum revenue milestone surpasses 10 billion, outpacing Meta and Microsoft. Ethereum has reached over 10 billion in revenue, outpacing tech giants Meta and Microsoft. It took Ethereum approximately 6 years to achieve this milestone, compared to Meta's 7 years and Microsoft's 9 years. Ethereum has generated 6.8 billion in fees since 2005, with over 60% of this converting into revenue. Despite the downturn in the crypto market, Ethereum's revenue has experienced a significant decline of over 27% from the previous year. Some sources suggest that if adoption continues, Ethereum's network revenue could skyrocket from its current 2.6 billion to an astonishing 31 billion annually by 2030. Linear Finance shuts down protocol for maintenance to recover from attack. Linear Finance has announced the closure of its protocol for maintenance due to an attack on September 21. The attack caused the exhaustion of all LUSD liquidity on PancakeSwap and the Sandex, resulting in the LUSD price drop to zero. The attacker minted an unlimited amount of LOF and traded it for LUSD on the linear exchange, subsequently selling it on PancakeSwap and the Sandex. Crypto industry employees mostly paid in fiat currencies, study finds. Pantera Capital study reveals that 90% of employees in the cryptocurrency industry receive their base salary in government-issued currencies, while only 3% are paid in crypto. Among those who received payment in crypto, the majority opt for dollar-linked stablecoins USDC and USDT, with 3% choosing Bitcoin, BTC. The study found that the median pay globally among 570 engineers surveyed is $120,000, with those in North America earning $193,000, up by 5% compared to the previous year. Executives in the crypto industry earn between $147,363 and $335,400, depending on their company stage. The report also notes that approximately 5% of roles in the crypto industry are remote. OFAC sanctions Ethereum wallet associated with Sinaloa cartel member. The Office of Foreign Assets Control, OFAC, has sanctions an Ethereum wallet tied to Mario Jimenez Castro, a member of the Sinaloa cartel. The external-owned account, EOA, with the address LinkXYOC2 is under scrutiny by the U.S. foreign policy arm and is subject to regulatory restrictions and implications. No further details about the extent of the blockchain-related repercussions or the specific actions performed via this wallet have been provided in the announcement. Binance CMO, we are still the most compliant crypto exchange today. Binance has appointed Rachel Conlon as its new Chief Marketing Officer, CMO. Conlon, who has over 20 years of experience in marketing, recently transitioned from her former role as Vice President of Global Marketing. In an exclusive interview with CryptoPotato, Conlon discussed the reputational challenges faced by the crypto industry and her commitment to education. Conlon also addressed Binance's regulatory scrutiny and its continued work with regulators to put better frameworks in place. Conlon highlighted Binance's flat organizational structure, allowing for rich interactions across ranks, even with its co-founders. Binance plans to reach 1 billion users, a strong signal of optimism in the turbulent environment. Pudgy, Penguin's NFT collection expands to Walmart stores. Pudgy Penguin's NFT collection is expanding into the real world with the launch of its Pudgy Toys collection at 2,000 Walmart stores across the U.S. Each toy comes with a unique birth certificate that allows users to claim unique traits for their digital forever Pudgy character in Pudgy World, built on the zk-Sync era blockchain. The toy is available online since May and Walmart will now sell it alongside legacy consumer brands. The collection has generated 4.1 million in sales since its 2021 launch. The toy is produced by PMI Kids World, which creates toys based on famous cartoons or popular shows. Celestia announces Genesis drop for developers and chain addresses. Celestia, a modular blockchain, has announced the launch of its Genesis drop, which allows 7,579 developers and 576,653 chain addresses to join the platform. 1/3 of the Genesis drop, 20 million TIA, is allocated to 7,579 developers and researchers, including contributors in the fields of public products and critical protocol infrastructure, as well as those building the early modular ecosystem. The remaining 2/3 are distributed to 576,653 chain addresses, with 20 million TIA awarded to the most active Ethereum rollups users and another 20 million TIA allocated to Cosmos Hub and Osmosis stackers and IBC relayers. With TIA, rollup developers can pay for blob space fees, bootstrap new rollups without issuing tokens, and participate in network consensus and governance. College student dropout buys Bitcoin for financial independence. Nashnab, a 9-year-old sophomore studying computer science and security, recently shared his experience of dropping out of college to invest in Bitcoin. He found himself disinterested in his chosen field and began investing in Bitcoin, which he believed would provide him with financial independence. Nashdaq's goal was to build a substantial Bitcoin portfolio and receive a starting salary of $40,000, which he believed would be more feasible than struggling in the IT job market while aiming for a six-figure income. His story highlights the changing landscape of career choices among the younger generation and the allure of alternative financial opportunities such as cryptocurrency investments. HSBC allows Ripple and Shiba Inu for specific payments. HSBC has allowed the use of Ripple, XRP, and Shiba Inu, SHIB, cryptocurrencies for specific payments. The bank has collaborated with SCF Pay to enable eligible clients to pay their mortgage bills and loans in these currencies. The announcement had little impact on the price of the mentioned coins. HSBC previously entered the cryptocurrency industry by partnering with Wells Fargo for a blockchain platform for forex transactions and partnering with the Sandbox to purchase virtual real estate. Despite these pro-crypto moves, HSBC has been critical of the industry in the past. MetaMask integrates with Ramp to enable seamless conversion of traditional currencies to cryptocurrencies. MetaMask, a popular cryptocurrency wallet, has partnered with Ramp, a payment solution provider, to allow users to seamlessly convert traditional currencies into cryptocurrencies within the MetaMask wallet and MetaMask portfolio. This integration aims to simplify the process of converting fiat money into digital assets for users who are new to the world of cryptocurrencies.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.